We're gonna do a walk around on this 2009 Country Coach Magna. I did that walkthrough on the Affinity. I'll post the link below for the Affinity 2009, but this is gonna be the Magna. Would have went down the same exact production line, actually right here where we're at. You can kind of see the cranes right there, and the frame rails would actually come in here and went down the production line that way. So we'll give you a quick overview on the outside of it here. Beautiful coach, light colors. Full pass-through bay here, and then a pass-through bay here with the slide trays, and then another full pass-through bay here with the slide trays again. Beautiful coach, like I said. It's got the light colors, and if you even come up to these darks, get up really close, as you can see there's no checking, so it's a fine specimen. It's got the big fat 365s on the front with the easy steer, secondary gearbox to be able to handle that. In this fourth bay here, you're gonna have the house batteries, the chassis batteries, and then in this back compartment here, you're gonna have the hydraulic filter and a couple other things. This coach is shoehorned in here with this intrigue that's sold already. By this time you finally get some design, so it looks cool when you got your screen door closed. It's got this embossed vinyl, kind of like a carbon fiber, giving a really cool pattern here. Plumbing bay. So this is going to have all the stainless steel panels in here. And then in this next bay, you'll have the big aqua hot with the dual electric elements and the diesel burner. And then these will be those pass-through bays that we saw on the other side. It's got the nice tall window in the slide. Couple chairs in there so that way you can get good view out of the window. It's got the window awnings that are all electric on both sides, and then it's going to have the roof mounted patio awnings, so that way you won't really see the air conditioners and whatnot, and gives it that good clean look. So we'll give you guys a view of the inside here. So we've got the cockpit area here. It's got the silver leaf with the big screen with the extra video here, and then you can have your video on this upper screen also while you're driving down the road, and be able to have the turn signals or the side views going. It's got that same vinyl, it looks like, brought into these seats. It was on that entry door panel. Seats are in excellent condition, super clean coach. Couple bells and whistles here while we check the mile. We got 46,000 miles on it. We'll have the Cummins 600 in it. There's your shift console, your smart tire monitoring system. It's even got a CB radio in it. Looks like it's got a Samsung smart TV already put in there. And then behind this panel are going to be your awning controls for the roof and the windows, and then all your power blinds and everything. This coach here has actually had all the MCDs that came factory, it looks like, taken out and changed out to the new modern straight style. Maybe not the driver's side, but at least the windshield one has been. And it looks like the same with this passenger side one. Really cool window boxes, some fabric inlays here, the nice colors again. creams and blacks in this coach. And then it's got the really cool ceiling treatment again. Driver's side slide room, you've got a desk here, and then you've got the dinette, and then 2 chairs that you can kind of pull around and put wherever you'd like, but you can keep them in there for transit. Gives you that big window. Got the big window again, so you're going to get a lot of natural lighting in here, giving you a really cool look. And then this particular coach actually had a TV that slid out there that was deleted, so that's why it's got that kind of odd hollow spot where there's no cabinets, but you could always put something in there if you'd like, or even take that out and do a big pantry there if you're into the kitchen thing. You know, there's always lots of options that can be redone in here. But I just got my eyes drawn up here to this beautiful woodwork all the way across the tops of these. Nice solid surface countertops. The cool inlay here with the cool color change. Just really appealing. Nice tile floor is going to be heated all the way from front to rear. And then this is going to be a little pop out, probably a jackknife bed of some sort. Got the Cummins cabinet here. Can always be deleted and made into more storage too in the kitchen. Take that glass door off of there. Got good storage below. It doesn't have the dishwasher option, so that's going to have a lot more storage with these 2 pull-outs here and then 2 more pull-outs here. The cutting board here, which is really cool. You take that out and you can put the ironing board that's in the closet in there. You get the little holder here for all your sponges, scrubby tools for getting the kitchen all cleaned up, and then more storage here under the sink. Looks like we've got an Insta-Hot, so you got good hot water instantly. You can fill up a coffee cup or make some tea. The large residential refrigerator, the Magna here. And then we'll make our way back here to the bathroom, where you've got the toilet room here. Some more lights on. Nice lined cabinets, the tandem carpet here. Stuff's not sliding around on you. It's got a pretty cool backsplash. Neat inlay. Really like the finish of this, and the wallpaper is a pretty cool color too. It changes once you get into the back in here to the toilet room. And then you've got that same inlay inside of the shower there, all the way around. Kind of flows around here to the vanity sink area. And then nice lighting here for getting ready. Got the serial number log here on the sides. Nice deep cabinet here. Nice shelf up here, all tandem lined again with the carpet. Nice deep drawers. Plenty of storage back here. Got 3 of those. Gonna be all the same depth on this side, and then you come over and you have 3 again. All the same depth throughout on those. Storage. And then you come around to this side and you'll get all your house monitoring. It looks like this coach has got some solar on it. And then you've got your HWH control. And then it looks like we had a couple things going off with the batteries getting low. So we can hit quit. And then you have all your house monitoring. So this will give you your general overlay. This is going to be your shore power, your DC batteries, your water system, your gen, and then your bay temp. And then features. You can get into here and then you can change out your different colors and displays. You got your tile heat control here for the forward and the aft. And then your IntelliTech keypad here for the rear. fuses here. And then on this particular model in 2009, the 110 breakers are going to be located behind here. And you'll have your main panel and your sub panel. So that's going to be your house fuses. Nice slide room here. 4 drawers across the bottom. One of them might be audio video. No. That all ends up over here across the top. So here you'll have your SAT receiver compartment. And then you'll have the factory DVD Integra. Looks like a stock TV here also. Storage here in the aft compartment. Your aqua hot controls and your blinds for the bedroom. You'll have the master, which will run down all your bedrooms, and then master up, and that'll run your bedrooms back up. Some storage above that, and then storage here with the cool little laundry bin. It looks like they've got the extra basket in there, which is nice. And then back here in the closet, you've got these cool doors with the breakup wood pattern, which is a little nicer look than the full mirrors. And then in here you got your closet with your safe, storage for some shoes up here across the top maybe, and then some nice more storage that's really deep over here off to the side, and then some more house controls, being the IntelliTech for the ceilings. And you've got the, looks like a full-size king bed here, nice and wide, and then a pretty cool headboard. Some more nice woodwork around the edges here, padded headboard. Those wall sconces, yeah. So there's your forward and aft wall sconce. So you get the ceiling treatment again back here, and then you'll even have the ceiling mood. It turns on and off. So in here, nice subtle lighting up in the ceiling, and not even have to have the window box lights on. I just like that effect. I love the glass ceiling that came out in the Magna's Affinities. So we'll kick on some more lights. All right, everybody, so I think that's a full tour of this beautiful Country Coach 2009 Magna. Came off the same production line as the Affinities. The only difference really is the designer packages of the Affinities, and then the square edged bus style windows, where the Magna wouldn't have that, and then normal production would have been just some standard colors and paint schemes and whatnot to pick out, but you could always customize those. So I want to thank everybody again for watching this video. I hope you're all having a great day. Hope you're all subscribed, hitting those notifications. I want to thank everybody that is subscribed. We hit that 500 point, and thanks again. I hope you're all having a great day. If you're interested in this coach, hit up Premier RV Sales of Oregon. I want to thank them for letting me come in and view this fine motor coach, and I hope you're all having a great day. Till next time, bye-bye.